The maxilla, also known as upper jaw, is a vital viscerocranial structure of the skull. There are 5 major parts: body, frontal, zygomatic, palatine, and alveolar processes. The body of maxilla is the largest part of bone and it's shaped like a pyramid. It contributes to the flow of bony orbit and anterior wall of the nasal cavity and the inferior part of infratemporal fossa. It contains the maxillary sinus. The alveolar process is an inferior extension of the maxilla. The frontal process has a vertical ridge and it forms the medial border of orbit. Posteriorly, it forms the lacrimal groove together with lacrimal bone. The zygomatic process of the maxilla grows laterally and meets the zygomatic bone. The palatine process is a horizontal extension. It forms the roof of mouth and floor of nasal cavity. Together with palatine bone, it forms the hard palate. Superiorly, it articulates with the frontal bone. Posteriorly with the sphenoid bone, palatine, lacrimal and ethmoid bone. Medially with the nasal and vomer, inferiorly nasal concha and laterally with the zygomatic bone. All parts of maxilla undergo intermembranous ossification. There are 2 ossification centers. Maxilla can be fractured during high energy trauma. Maxillary fractures classified according to the Leafold fracture classification.